How to fix Google Play gift card more info needed error. If you're getting the more info needed error when redeeming a Google Play gift card, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step, so let's get started. First, make sure you're using the correct Google account to redeem your gift card. If you have multiple accounts, switch to the right one by just tapping your profile picture in the Google Play and simply signing in to the right Google Play account. Sometimes Google needs to verify your identity before redeeming a gift card. To do that, just go to settings and on Google and manage your Google account, then check if there are any verification prompts or security alerts. Clearing the cache can also help fix errors in the Google Play Store. You can do that by going to settings in your Android phone. From there, go to apps and tap on Google Play Store. Tap on storage and cache. From there, select clear cache and clear data. Just restart the Play Store and redeem your Google Play gift card again. And that's it. One of these methods should help you fix the more info needed error.